everyone, it's Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I keep and store my finished projects, how I keep and store my work in progress, my whips. And I have a lot of finished projects, but I don't frame them because I don't have a lot of room at home for all of them. And I'm just going to show you some great tips on how you can store your finished projects and your whips. And I'm going to show you a little bit of Stockholm, and at the end of the video I'm going to be showing you how people in Sweden decorate their homes for Easter. So stay tuned, it's going to be very interesting. I like to keep my work in progress, like my whips, using these transparent folders. And I think it's better to use these ones. They're more practical and they cost less than like bags. I have here an example of this. Here I have this is a kit by Magic Needle I'm cross stitching, and here I can see very easily what kind of kit this is. When I go through all of my folders, I can see what kit this is, and inside here is the chart. Here's the fabric with my work in progress, and the floss. So it's easy, it doesn't take a lot of space, and it's cheap. Another way of keeping your finished project or work in progress, this will be having this project roll. And this one is my favorite. This one is by DMC, and I like it because you can open it here in the middle. Let me just get it opened, and you can put stuff inside like floss or needles or an organizer. So this is very good. This is very good quality. I like DMC very much. This is another way to store your finished projects, so they're nice and neat and they don't wrinkle. And this idea I got from a Russian blogger. She is a cross stitch blogger. She unfortunately only does her videos in Russian, not in English. And this was her idea. Use like a clothes hanger, and that has these pins on that hold your finished projects, and just hang them in the closet, and they're nice and neat, and they don't get dirty, they don't get wrinkled. I can show you some of my work here. I think you've seen it. If you follow me, you've seen I've showed you. So yes, this is a really great. This is what I bought at a regular Swedish department store. So yes, use them if you like. When I travel, I like to take these two bags by DMC. I have a smaller one and a bigger one. This is the smaller one that I take if I have to travel. It's not very big. You can't put a lot of stuff in here. You put your project. Here you can put your floss, needles, floss, and everything that you need. This is the smaller one. I keep my projects here if I travel. And the bigger one, this is also by DMC. If you open it, here you have more space for your floss. You have more pockets here that you can keep your stuff in. So I like this one more than the smaller one. It is bigger. I bought these beautiful bouquets for Easter decoration. And you might think that this doesn't look like a bouquet. It looks more like a broomstick. But in Sweden, it's a tradition to decorate homes with these birch twigs. And on the ends of them, here you have also feathers of different colors attached to them. I'm going to put them in water. And they are going to start producing new green leaves. And it's like a symbolism for rebirth, resurrection here in Sweden. So this is what it's used for. Okay, I put the twigs and the water here in a vase. And sometimes you can also decorate these twigs with Easter eggs, like decorative Easter eggs like you would with a Christmas tree. I don't do it because I haven't found eggs that I like. I really would like wooden eggs with carvings on them, but I haven't found any like that. So I hope that these are gonna sprout and I'm gonna see green leaves on them. And in Sweden you can also decorate your home with chickens and with eggs and with bunnies. I have like a chicken that is made out of steel. These are other twigs that I have, just the same birch twigs. And this is a big vase of vase. And it's about 1 meter in height. And it's very, very heavy. So I'm not going to put water in them. It's just going to be like decorative. And so these are not going to sprout green leaves. And in Sweden, you get 4 days off for Easter. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And Easter is one of my favorite holidays. I like it more than Christmas, and I like it more than New Year, because for me, it's kind of like a holiday that gives you hope. I mean, just look at what happens with nature. It like dies, but then it gets resurrected. It starts to redevelop and have new leaves and flowers. And it kind of gives me hope that life is not always going to be very bad. Someday, we're going to have like good times in our life. Not only bad, but good times, like in nature. Well, that was it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. And I hope you subscribe, because there's lots more to come. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And let me know in the comment section what you think about my storage video and how I store my projects. And about next week, I'm going to probably make a video about my whips work in progress. And in a couple of weeks, I'm going to make a video about what I bought, new kits, a whole video. I'm waiting for new kits to come to me. I've been ordering them and waiting for them. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I bought. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.